Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family? Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean 10 different surfaces that you find in your interior using one product. Now, I know I have two products in my hand, but watch this. So we've combined our best-in-class, all-in-one interior cleaner protectant total interior with the incredible scent of our new car scent to create our total interior cleaner protectant with new car smell. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to clean, protect, and make your interior smell like brand new. Let's get started. Surface number one is your door panels. Now, your door panels, they're susceptible to kicks. What do you do when you first open your door? You kick that thing wide open and you leave a huge smudge of dirt and grime all throughout the lower part of your door, and that's a huge no-no here at the Chemical Guys. And with Total Interior, all you have to do is simply spray it down, wipe it down with your favorite Chemical Guys microfiber towel, and you're all good to go. That way you keep your door panels looking great and fresh and protected for years to come. Speaking about door panels, the next section that you should be cleaning is your buttons and controls, such as like the ones on your door panel that control your windows, your side view mirrors, and etc. You want to make sure to clean those up because what can happen is the oils from your fingertips, especially if they're dirty, over time it's going to wear off the icons that are on the buttons themselves. So you want to make sure that you clean those often and there's absolutely no buildup on them whatsoever, and they're protected from drying, fading, and discoloration. The next surface that we're going to tackle is glass. Now, Total Interior is perfectly safe to use on glass surfaces. All you need to do is simply spray it down, wipe it with your favorite Chemical Guys microfiber towel, or you can also spray directly into your towel and give your glass a quick little wipe down to remove any kind of smudges, dirt, grease, and grime, and ensure that full crystal clear clarity. You want to make sure that whenever you drive your car, you have the best clarity possible because anything can be a hazard for you to be driving in. Whether you're driving in inclement weather conditions, the last thing that you want to worry about is streaks and smears taken away from your overall vision. So make sure to clean your glass so you don't have any problems. The next surface that we're going to clean is dashboard. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love driving around with the windows rolled down, and the main problem that I have on my interior is dust accumulation on my dashboard. So Total Interior allows me to easily clean that stuff up, but not only just clean it, it also allows me to protect my dashboard. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but your dashboard is basically the area that gets hit by the most on your interior from those harsh UV rays. So your dashboard, depending on the material, I know for a lot of older vehicles, if you don't maintain them, that plastic wears out, it becomes very brittle and it breaks very easily. And for newer dashboards, you can often get things like oxidation, discoloration, fading. All those things can really take away from the overall value of your car. So make sure to clean and protect your dashboard at the same time using Total Interior. The next area that we're going to clean is navigation screens. Now, I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory, but when it comes to your navigation screen, what are you doing? You're touching fingerprints, all oily residue getting all over it. You don't want that. You want to make sure that your navigation is clean because at the end of the day, that stuff, it can actually stain the navigation screen itself. So all those oils, they can actually stain your navigation screen permanently. And with using Total Interior, all you have to do is simply spray it on a microfiber towel, give it a quick little wipe down. Not only do you clean it, but you also protect it from the harsh UV rays. Next surface, steering wheels. Now, when it comes to steering wheels, what are you doing? You're touching it all day. Your dirty hands are getting all on it. And even if you have clean hands, you have all kinds of body oils that accumulate on your hands and grime that you touch. And over time, from you just driving around your car, that stuff builds up on your steering wheel and it creates a film. And one of the biggest reasons that you want to maintain the cleanliness of your steering wheel is not to have it clean, but also to ensure that it lasts as long as possible. And what I mean by that is oftentimes you see those steering wheels that they're discolored, they have like two different colors on them. That's because they wear off because of all the oils that are on your hands. They accumulate on there and they start degrading the material and it wears it off and you get flaky steering wheel, and that's a big no-no. You want to make sure your steering wheel looks as great as possible for as long as possible. And not only that, but like I said earlier, Total Interior does contain a UV protectant. So it's going to protect your steering wheel no matter whether it be rubber, vinyl, leather, you name it, you're going to be covered on all occasions. Moving on, we have our seats. Now, your seats are going to be the most used area of your vehicle because you're sitting in it whenever you're in your car. So whether you have cloth, leather, or vinyl seats, Total Interior is going to do an incredible job at just wiping away any kind of residue or any kind of food stains and food spills that you have on your seats. So if you have kids in the backseat who are often just throwing food around, spilling juices, this is going to be the great all-in-one cleaner that you can use to simply clean that stuff up and also protect the finishes of your seats as well in one single step. So for best results when it comes to cleaning seats, I would highly recommend that you spray directly onto your towel as opposed to the seat itself, because the last thing that you want to do is oversaturate it, especially if you have cloth or fabric seats. You want to make sure that you apply a very light amount of product because you don't want your seats to be all drenched. Simply spray your microfiber towel, wipe away any kind of oils and residue or grime, and you're all good to go. Moving on, we have our carpets. Now, when it comes to carpets, this is great for general cleaning and maintenance. So it's not to say that it's going to replace all your favorite Chemical Guys upholstery cleaners, but instead maintain your carpets clean. Before you get into your cleaning with Total Interior, make sure that you vacuum the carpets beforehand to get rid of the heavier debris that's in your way, so that way you can have your Total Interior experience much smoother by giving it a simple spray and wipe. You can do so with our Detail Vac portable handheld car vacuum cleaner, which is a great way to keep your interior looking fresh by vacuuming on the go. Oftentimes, you don't really have stains or grime or heavy residue on your carpets. If you want to just give your interior a quick little touch up, what I like to do is just spray directly onto a microfiber towel, gently give your carpets a cool little wipe down, and that's going to remove any kind of surface dust that's sitting on top of your carpets. So that's just going to give it a quick little cleanup. It's also great to know that your carpets are protected as well. And then some of the other sections that you can use Total Interior on are trim pieces all around your interior, such as your cup holders, your AC vents, rubber seals, your center console, your glove box, whatever it may be. You can use Total Interior to quickly clean those things up and make sure that they're protected against the harsh UV rays. And one thing I did forget to mention that I completely forgot to mention throughout this entire video is that Total Interior provides a full OEM matte finish. It provides no shine whatsoever. It just cleans and protects and keeps your interior looking as good as new. And the 10th and final thing, not only do you have the amazing cleaning experience of cleaning your interior and protecting it, but you also fill the air of your car with a new car smell using one product. So we just gave you 10 areas that you can use Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant on, but there's actually a lot more. I didn't include things like wood grain, smooth glossy interior plastics, metal, and so much more. But my question for you guys is, what do you guys use Total Interior on? Because you can actually use it not only on your car, but at home, in your office, at your business, you name it. This is gonna work out in all occasions. If it fits the description of the surface you use it on, go ahead and use it on there. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video with our all new Total Interior Cleaner Protectant new car smell. If you guys want to pick up this product, you can do so right now by tapping the link in the description or in the pinned comment down below. And if you guys want to pick it up in person, you can visit your local Detail Garage store to get yours today. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.